To fix a Hoover vacuum that has stopped working, there are several possible reasons to consider. The dustbin may be full, which can cause the motor to work harder and potentially prevent the vacuum from turning on. To resolve this issue, it's essential to empty the bin after each use or when it's nearly full. Another possible reason is that the circuit breaker may have tripped, in which case it can be reset by flipping it back on and then attempting to power the unit again. A blocked hose can also cause the vacuum to lose suction and stop working. To fix this, start by unplugging the vacuum. Then remove the hose from the floor nozzle and canister. Inspect the hose for any clogs and use a screwdriver to clear blockages. For more stubborn blockages, pliers can be used to extract the debris. Once the clogs are cleared, reassemble the device. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Hoover vacuum that has stopped working. And regular maintenance, such as emptying the dustbin and checking for blockages, can help prevent future issues.